tropical storm now. Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Wow. And
that's up in a power line. It's just electricity being zapped across it.
That's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
See, look how
He's sitting somewhere in Beaufort?
No.
Oh, there we go.
He's in a place called Sea Level. I just got started.
Oh, that's the other one.
Open.
Yeah, it says open. Yeah, man, we're just gonna have much luck.
Something rolling across the road there.
Yeah, it's a big old can somebody left out.
This is basically the eye where we are right now.
That's why it's so calm.
Yeah.
Know what's going to happen after it.
It's going to come out on the other side.
Are you still on streaming?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Ice machine went floating. See it over there? The ice box.
Oh my gosh.
Looks like it floated away.
It sure did.
See, if we would have had 12-foot surge, we would have been way deeper. Wow, look at that down there. Jeez.
I remember yesterday, lots of times that little sign was up and you were still... See, it looks
No,
like...
we weren't.
We weren't up.
You have your phone?
I do, but it's in the back. I'm not going to get it as soon as you stop. Slow for some reason.
Because the wind's pushing them back.
Whoa. It's just hard to catch it just right. That's what you said video's better. Just like that. Go back out there. I'm not roaming. I'm up exactly 4 bars.
93. WX4 MHX, WX4 STM calling. Jeez.
Wow.
This is intense. This is more. This is bigger than what we had earlier.
Yeah, it is.
Holy moly, man!
Hey, what do we get?
Sustained to 85 to 90.
90. All right, have you tried to get us back up?
I can't get us back up right now. 100 miles an hour. Are you sure he's moored? He's not facing the right way to be moored, Mom.
Yeah, then he ought to be moving.
No, he could be run aground.
Oh.
I think he's a loose boat that may have run aground.
You might be right.
I think he
go up
tore
a
loose.
little bit?
He was not there before.
I don't remember being there either.
Huh?
How can you get through?
What do you mean?
Because they have power where you're calling.
Yeah, NWS. Oh yeah, they got generators.
I think you're right. I think he's loose. Anybody else you need to tell?
I don't know. This is nuts now.
Unbelievable. Are you sure we're safe, Gerard?
Yeah, we're fine.
All right.
Like I said, the air can't get under the car. That's the most important thing.
But we're safe sitting on a bridge.
Yeah, I mean we're where we are at the lower part of it. Yeah, not the really high part.
I'm waiting to see what that boat's gonna do. Have you seen it?
My cups broke.
Oh crap!
No wait, it's back. I thought they broke. We're only at 9. Something's going on.
Something's wrong.
Lost my animal. Something broke on it.
Holy, we lost something.
Something.
Any other way we can measure wind?
Nope.
How was that? Or we broke it off at whatever it was, 100. Holy mackerel.
Awesome.
Can you see the boat? Can't go that far.
You're just popping like crazy.
I was gonna say you could go to cover, but there is no cover over here. Wow. Oh man, is it picked up?
Definitely.
Man, this is really gonna do. This is what's gonna damage them.
Yeah, this part will be. I'm gonna go on the other side of this.
Right. Watch out.
Or not.
No, we got too much
Absolutely
crap.
not.
Look at all the rocks
Look at
and
all the
shit.
debris.
Yep,
And here comes the fire and all that.
Yeah, Gerard, I don't think it's safe to go any further.
I got debris falling.
Yeah, just be careful.
I'm being careful. Being careful. I'm gonna go under here. We got sustained winds at 85 now. I've had gusts to 101. My anemometer's busted. I gotta fix it somehow. Door in. Wow.
Holy mackerel. Are you sure you're safe?
Yeah. We're back now.
I think it's going to be debris that's going to be a problem.
That's funny.
What is he doing out of the car?
Talking to people, keeping them from going over.
We're sliding down the...
Following it.
Careful. Oh. Guess not.
There it goes.
Bye-bye.
Right.
It is a weird green color.
Yeah. It's not a boat.
No, it's not a boat.
That's
Let's hold it up.
yep. I said it looks like someone put a bomb
All right,
in it.
stop.